Good afternoon, guys. I am here with a DigiKit video, and yes, I have been playing and I have come up with 2 more bricks kit, and honestly, it never ceases to amaze me how popular these kits are. Of all the kits that I've done, and I know, you know, they're not really wow kits like everybody else's because I'm not here to compete. The ones that I didn't think would do very well were the bricks ones, and yet they seem to be the best sellers. So I keep getting requests for the same kit but in like different colour variations. So here we are. There's two more kits. This one is my favourite. No prizes for guessing why. My favourite colours. But yes, so we have this one, and then this one. Again, they're all the same kind of brick theme, but just different colours. I've used my own backgrounds on them. But yeah, I've used my own backgrounds on them with the brick design. So there are 5 in each, like usual. I really love this one. Just kind of reminded me a bit of like a graffiti wall. But yeah, so that is... I believe this is actually Bricks Kit 4. I think I've done them out of order, but anyway. And then there is this one, which is Bricks Kit 3, I believe. I will correct myself below if I am wrong, but I think I've done them out of order. But yes, so again, there's 5 in each, the same brick design in the background, and I have just used my own backgrounds to add the colour to them. But yeah, so there we go, guys. And of course they will all work together brilliantly, you know, so you can mix any of the kits together. So there we go, guys. There is Bricks Kit 3 and 4. So I believe this one is number 3 and I believe this one is number 4, but I could be wrong. I'm sorry, I should have checked. But the links to the kits will be below anyway. If you are watching this video, these kits are now available in the Etsy shop, and the links to both kits will be below, so you'll see for yourselves when you click on it whether I was right. But yeah, and speaking of the Etsy shop, today is Monday the 21st. And I will put this video up today. I'll edit it and get it put up today. And from today, I mean, it's been going all month anyway, but from today right through till the 31st of January 2021, the Etsy shop has a 50% discount on all digital kits only. No physical items. The physical items don't count, but all digital kits in the shop are on an automatic 50% discount sale. You don't need a coupon code or anything. They are automatically discounted at 50% off each kit, and that runs through right the way through to the 31st of January 2021. And yeah, it's kind of obviously to celebrate Christmas, the rebrand, the new year and all that sort of stuff. Instead of doing different sales, I just lumped it all together and extended it to make one big one. These, like I said, are now in the shop. If you're watching this video, they are now in the shop available to buy. These are currently on a 50% discount as well. So grab yourselves a bargain, guys, whilst you can. But yeah, so there you go. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for supporting the shop all this time and into the future, hopefully. Fingers crossed. And these kits, you know, just, you know, I'll keep doing them. You guys keep asking. I'll do my best. But yes, so thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting. Hope you all have a fantastic Christmas, and yes, and a fantastic, well, I say a fantastic New Year, a much happier New Year, should I say. And I will speak to you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.